Okay, I bought these Neca toy capsule collectibles Gremlin edition. It says there's 9 themed collectibles inside. Let's see what it is. So, the first one is a pen. Second one, a little cute gremlin patch. The third one, a magnet. The fourth one is like, what is this? Oh, like a keychain thingy to put on a lanyard. This is another little keychain thing. This one is an eraser. Next one is a band of Gremlins. Follow the rules. Next one, a little Santa Claus sticker. And the last one of the 9, and these I bought at Walmart for around $10, $9.96, $9.98. Shoelaces. So yeah, I guess, I don't know. Was that worth $10? I don't. Some stuff is kind of cool, but I don't know about $10. That's cool. Yeah. Yeah, that's cool. Alright, well, that's the unboxing of the Neca Toy Capsule Collectibles Gremlin Edition. Themed collectibles inside. It's pretty cool.